Today I'm going to talk about 5 amazing fruits that can help activate your own stem cells that can help you regenerate from the inside out and repair your body. These fruits are black raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, mango, and prunes. The first fruit is black raspberries. If you haven't heard of a black raspberry, basically it's a regular raspberry except that it's a dark color. It's a special variety. And that dark color is due to the huge amount of anthocyanins. That's the bioactive. It's a natural dye. It's the same dye that makes blackberries black, all right, and blueberries blue. Makes the raspberry really dark. It's got lactic acid, lactotannins, anthocyanins in black raspberries. And researchers in Korea have actually been studying the effects of eating black raspberries in people who have metabolic syndrome.
Black raspberries are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, offering numerous health benefits. They support heart health by reducing inflammation and improving cholesterol levels, boost the immune system, and may help protect against certain cancers due to their high anthocyanin content. Black raspberries also promote gut health and contribute to overall wellness.
Second fruit are blueberries. Now blueberries, as I mentioned, have anthocyanins, the same dye in black raspberries, and researchers at Cornell University looked at whether eating blueberries would have an effect on stem cells in your muscle. That's really important, right? Because the muscles need to be built. And so what these researchers did is they recruited women who were aged 21 to 40, all right? And they gave them 38 grams of freeze-dried blueberries. What's 30 grams of freeze-dried blueberries? That's about 1/3 of a cup. Okay, so think about the measuring cup in your kitchen. 1/3 of a cup is nothing. It's like anybody can eat that. That's what these women ate every day for 6 weeks, all right? And the researchers collected their blood during the 6-week study. So before they got anything at time 0, at a month out, week 4, and at the end 2 more weeks at week 6, just to see what's going on with the stem cells in their blood with blueberry eating. And what do they find? The researchers found that eating blueberries, just 1/3 of a cup a day for 6 weeks, could improve the muscle stem cell numbers by 40%. Wow, 40% increase by eating just 1/3 of a cup of blueberries. And these stem cells were much more resilient to stress in the body, okay, which is a good thing. Now, the researchers were actually looking, and these are young women, by the way, I was telling you about that just now, 21 to 40. Now, when the researchers looked at the same effect in older women, 60 to 79, okay, they did not find that the blueberries could do the same thing. So there's something about blueberries in younger populations, helpful for stem cells, but for people older than 60, the women did not actually have that same benefit.
Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, making them a powerful superfood. They support brain health, improve memory, and protect against aging-related decline. Blueberries also promote heart health by reducing blood pressure and cholesterol, aid in blood sugar regulation, and boost the immune system with their anti-inflammatory properties.
Third food, strawberries. All right, I'm on a berry theme on a kick here right now. You got your black raspberries, you got your blueberries. Can't leave out the strawberries. Strawberries are one of my favorite. And strawberries have a bioactive called ellagic acid. And ellagic acid can help to restore neural stem cells. And they can actually promote neuroregeneration. Neuro meaning nerves. So nerve stem cells for nerve regeneration. Amazing, okay? Now, there's research that's been done by scientists from Minzu University in Beijing and the Shanghai University of Engineering Sciences. They were looking at ellagic acid, which is found in strawberries, and found that ellagic acid, the same stuff in strawberries, could stimulate stem cells to protect the brain after brain injury in lab studies, okay? So brain injury, study in the lab, you would use ellagic acid found in strawberries. The ellagic acid would stimulate stem cells to protect the brain from injury.
Strawberries are a nutrient-rich fruit, high in vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber. They boost immune health, support heart function by lowering cholesterol and blood pressure, help manage blood sugar levels, and reduce inflammation, offering protection against various chronic conditions.
Fourth fruit, mango. All right, I love mangoes. I love a really sweet mango. Mangoes are a great source of dietary fiber, and they actually have a bioactive called mangiferin. All right, now mangiferin helps stem cells protect themselves, and you want stem cells to be protected in order to be able to help them do all they can do. Now, when do stem cells get injured or or assaulted where you need to protect them. Turns out that if you have too much sugar in the bloodstream, now admittedly mangoes are pretty sweet, but if you have hyperglycemia, so this is people with diabetes or pre-diabetes, a super high sugary blood content actually stuns stem cells. Super high salt content stuns stem cells. Medropheric can protect against that. And the other thing that injures stem cells or stuns stem cells, cigarette smoke, primary cigarette smoke, secondary smoke, actually will stun your stem cells. And drinking alcohol is really, really bad for your stem cells. And so is super high blood lipids or cholesterol in your bloodstream. That also stuns your stem cells.
Mangoes are a nutrient-dense fruit, rich in vitamins A and C, antioxidants, and fiber. They support immune health, promote healthy skin and eyes, and aid digestion. Mangoes also contain compounds that may help reduce inflammation and support heart health.
Let's talk about the fifth fruit, and it is the prune. Now, you probably have seen a prune. You know, they come in a can in the middle aisle section of the grocery store. But you know what a prune is? It's just actually a dried plum. Plum is a stone fruit. In the summertime, you'll see plums everywhere in the farmer's market. Now, prunes, actually, I always think about prunes as being used as a laxative, meaning that it can help you address constipation by helping your bowel move so you can be more regular. It probably works that way. Got a lot of dietary fiber in it. But prunes, from a health perspective, also and stem cells, have chlorogenic acid. Chlorogenic acid is a bioactive. It's also found in coffee, for example. All right, but here's what happens. Chlorogenic acid improves stem cells in your gut. All right, and your gut, stem cells in your gut are rebuilding the gut all the time. That's pretty important because your gut health, you know, like when people talk about leaky gut, you know, inflammatory bowel disease or irritable bowel, we think that some of that may be due to leaky gut, and you want your stem cells to be able to repair any of that leak, okay? So chlorogenic acid, which is found in prunes, can actually do that. Now the skin of prunes, right, which is a shriveled up plum, also contains ursolic acid. Ursolic acid also helps to regenerate our tissues by stimulating our stem cells, specifically the vascular stem cells. These are the stem cells that build our blood vessels, right? So here I told you about the prune. It actually is good for the gut lining. It's also good to build and rebuild and repair our circulation. It regenerates our circulation. And this has been shown in lab studies with ursolic acid where blood vessels are blocked, the animals are fed ursolic acid. It really comes from fruit, extracted from fruit, just like you'd find in a dried prune, all right? And it turns out that then you'll actually regenerate the circulation again, even though the blood vessel is blocked.
Prunes are a rich source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including potassium and vitamin K. They support digestive health, promote strong bones, and help regulate blood sugar levels. Prunes also contain antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and may improve heart health.